Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and as you see here, it's pending restart. My Patch Tuesday updates for Windows 11 have arrived. So if you're on Windows 11, the user or standard stable version of Windows 11, you have the cumulative update today for Patch Tuesday. KB5012592 is its number. You also have a .NET Framework update that is available. As you see here, restart required, estimated time of install 4 minutes. I like that fact that they can tell you approximately how much time it should take on Windows 11. Feature that I think Windows 10 would also benefit if it would have that. So, of course, today, the second Tuesday of April 2022, April 12th, is the time for these updates. These are important. They're mandatory. These are security updates. And we'll see, because in the past couple of months, at the same time as the Patch Tuesday security updates, very often they would push some bug fixes on Windows 11. So I don't know if that contains such bug fixes. One thing for sure is that it's security updates and it's important to install. I will have a look at global look at what was in here. So both Windows 10, 20H2, 21H1, 21H2, and Windows 11 are getting the updates, of course, for the stable version 22,000. We'll be, of course, looking at the list of fixes in here, if it's a big month or not. For the security updates, that's going to be interesting to see. Some months are much bigger than others for Microsoft. And of course, this keeps you safe on your system, so it's very important to apply them for sure. And this, of course, will also install bug fixes. If you haven't installed the bug fixing updates that arrived last week for Windows 11, remember that cumulative updates install what's missing before they install the main updates. So if you have not done that, it might take longer because you might have the bug fixing updates also at the same time as the security updates for Windows 11. So check out your system. Of course, if you don't, it should install automatically at some point and ask you to restart, or restart during the night if you leave your computers turned on all the time, or not. Why not take care of it right now so that you know that you'll stay safe? Hopefully things are going well, and we'll be, of course, talking about it. I know some of you take a little more time and don't install them immediately because you want to make sure that everything's all right before, which is not necessarily a bad idea. But since they are security updates, of course, don't wait too long. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.